I'm going to chill with my cousin them. A kid say, so check it out.
What you say? What I want elephant and I want bird. Which one bigger?
Elephant.
Elephant. Alright. Yeah? Dinosaur? What the capital of Manchester? Capital. Right, so Romero time now. See, so what the capital of Jamaica?
J.
Alright, he said J. What the capital of Manchester?
M.
What the capital of Mandeville?
Car.
What you say?
Car.
Care capital of Mandeville? Alright, sir, alright. He said Care. What the capital of Mandeville? You remember? What the capital of Mandeville?
Plane.
What the capital of Mandeville? Eh?
Rocket.
How much money if you make here? Eh? Talk loud, make the people them hear. Eh? 100%. Alright. TT, how much money if you make here? How much money you think for your car?
1 million.
1 million? Alright, that's your pick. Come now. So Romario, how much money you think for make here?
60,000.
60,000. Alright, Mr. Dante. You the over there so I laugh. How much money you think for your car?
100,000.
You know? Alright. So Chris and Jay, what the worst thing ever happened to you? What the worst thing ever happened to you?
Maybe don't know what we're seeing.
Nothing bad ever happened to you yet? Something bad happened to you? What did happen to you?
So the gun go be a down on the house I got and cut and so and the gun.
Oh, so you get one cut and you use the alcohol and it burn you.
Try in a water and beer.
Oh, okay. Alright, TT. So what the worst thing ever happened to you?
Chapa was of me.
That the worst thing?
Yes.
Nothing never happened to you worse than that?
Nah.
Alright, so alright. So, Mr. Romario, what the worst thing ever happened to you? Yeah? Alright, so. Alright, Jordan, what the worst thing ever happened to you?
Well, to be honest, I'm not sure. I know bad things happen to me.
One must stand out. You must have one way that say no, so that worse.
When we did the overseas and drop off my bicycle.
Come, tell me a joke now. Tell me your favorite joke. What's your favorite joke?
The boat turn over panic car.
The boat turn over upon the car. And what happened?
And the boat jump and the boat go on over the car.
The boat going over a car. So what happened to the car?
The car blast up.
Car blast up and you did see it? You see that there? Which part you see happen?
It did a J1 boat and it did blast up and they were going there. It two boat gone on the next boat. And the boat up right top and the boat down my bottom.
So two boat and one go up on one and one up at top and one down at bottom. So where you see boat? Far. Where place name where you see boat?
Capital. care when we are ball out.
No man, yo, what kind of girl song that you sing, man?
No! I'm not for free, me a sing for.
And I got a girl song.
So, gunman a kill, what we do? If you ball out.
Ball out for.
And next, when they come and me, I assume dead. What them a go do?
Which country you da want go? Jamaica. So which other country? You know, wouldn't want go? I want other country. I want foreign country. Which other country you da want go?
For England.
Foreign. All right. All right, Mr. Titi. Which country you da want go?
England.
Why England?
Which England?
You say England. Which England you da want go?
One over foreign.
So why you want go there, so? Oh, blah. All right. All right. Yes, Romario. So, which country you da want go?
Foreign.
Yeah, but you have no foreign country. Which country you da want go?
Hey.
England.
England. Why England?
Yeah. Want to nice food.
Yeah?
Want to nice food.
You want to taste nice food? All right, sir. All right, Jordan. Which country you da want go?
Antarctica.
Antarctica, one country.
Continent. Antarctica.
Why you da want go Antarctica?
We swim all
I just
down.
want to know what is there.
Okay. All right. So, Chris and Jay, what is your favorite car? Which car you da want? Batman car. Batman car.
Yeah.
You da want?
Nah.
Wawa?
When you might
Tractor.
Jump down.
Drop top. Okay. All right, sir. TT, what your favorite car?
Ricky.
No, me say favorite taxi driver. Car. Which car you da want?
Ricky car.
Why near my
Where near my
Don't
car?
worry.
Ricky.
Lord.
No say niya my car niya. No say niya.
All right. So, Jordan, which car your favorite car? Which car you da want?
Mercedes Benz.
Your chest high like off in Mount Peleia, but Mercedes Benz. You work for go buy Mercedes Benz?
No, daddy, but that's how you down.
Oh, alright. So, Chris and Jay, you have girlfriend?
Nah.
You have no girlfriend? Eh? Alright, Chris and Jay say no, no girlfriend. You have girlfriend?
Yes.
Yeah, how much girlfriend? No, for you. Tell the truth.
5.
5. Okay. So you know you see none of them in a show, you know no girl in a show. Like you see that one woman in a show and like them.
Maybe we have 2 girlfriends.
2 girlfriend you have. So tell me something. What your favorite movie character? Favorite somebody will come in a show. In a show.
Mr. Bean.
Mr. Bean is your favorite character. Alright. So who are your favorite character in a movie?
Mr. Bean.
Mr. Bean.
I'm my brother.
Who are your favorite movie character? Yeah? Eh? You don't know. Alright. So who are your favorite movie character?
Eng.
Who?
Eng.
Who name Eng?
Avatar.
Serious, yeah, Eng. Eng. You know God? Which part God live? Far. Alright, sir.
5.
You know God?
Yes.
Which part God live?
Up.
Up where?
Up na sun.
Up in the sun.
Up a sky.
Alright, sir. Alright. Alright, Romero, you know God?
Yeah.
Which part God live?
We up in heaven.
You ever see him yet?
No.
How you know say God live?